Today on Real Estate Now for Real Estate Agents, I want to talk about getting video implemented into your real estate business. Hey, today I wanted to talk to you about implementing video into your real estate business. There's a lot of talk around the need to do that, has been for a while for sure. The question is, do you have a plan for doing it? Maybe you already are, but if you don't have a plan for doing it, I would strongly suggest that you start to think about what that might look like. Maybe start with some baby steps. I think it's the best way to get something new implemented is to, just get started. The first ones won't be perfect. I remember the first time I shot a video, it was bad. Frankly, the first few times I did was bad. You might even argue it still is. But get it into motion. Start it in some way, fashion, or form. There's a number of ways to do video in your business. The most obvious one is videos of listings that you've taken. Whether those are professionally shot, recorded videos, or you with your phone simply doing a walkthrough video of the home. That's a good way to start is just doing the videos of the listings. You're not even on camera largely for those. You might do a little intro and then flip the camera around and do your walkthrough, whatever that might look like. But get started with it in some way. The other ways that people do videos is sometimes they'll do the kind of the community video where they go out and interview business owners, restaurant owners, all that kind of stuff, local business owners, in the area that you specialize in. So that's definitely a way to go as well. You can do this kind of video where it's just you on camera talking to your audience. And the way I think of that mostly is the real estate market update video. And so for that, frankly, I think you just look at that and go, one day a month, I'm going to shoot a real estate market video updating the audience, my past clients, my sphere of influence, whatever it might be, on what's going on in the real estate market. And so what I would recommend if you're going to do that one is, this is what I do, is there's a time on my calendar, an appointment. It's on the 7th day of the month. Now sometimes that'll fall on a Saturday and I'll just move it to a day before or day after. But I'm going to shoot that video that day every month on the real estate market and what's going on up to the minute. And then you can push that out through social media channels, obviously. You can push that out through email to your past clients, that type of thing. Post it on your website, post it in a blog, all of those things ideally. But another way to get started on video is the real estate market update. People are super interested, no matter what kind of market we're in, people are super interested in what's going on in the real estate market. So there's a couple of ways for you to get started. There are others, but honestly, keep it simple and just get started with it. Now, sometimes people will say, what kind of camera do I have to have? What kind of a mic do I need? What kind of a tripod and lighting and blah, 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 all that stuff? I don't think at the beginning you do. I didn't. I found a spot where the wall behind me was suitable. Not great, it was suitable. And I used a very basic camera. Frankly, I think you use your phone to start. That's the best video camera that you can probably go get without spending big bucks on one. So just use what you've already got. Get started. Jump into it. Take one step. Maybe it's that market update video and just commit to doing that every month and pushing it out to the people your past clients, your sphere of influence, that kind of thing. And then just take the next step after that. Add another layer on there. But for sure, you need to get started with video. It's important. It's what people are looking for. People are starting to expect it. So don't be one of those folks that gets left behind. Get started with video in your business today. And by the way, if you'd like to know more about what it looks like to partner with us at eXp Realty and how we're working in our group, in our revenue share group, in building real estate businesses to a higher level and doing a lot of training, even higher level than this kind of thing, click the link above where it says Agent Freedom Plan. That'll take you off to a page where it shows you what it looks like to partner with us at eXp Realty. There's also a link to my calendar there. You can put yourself on my calendar where we can set up a time. You'll be setting up the time for us to jump on a quick call, 20-30 minutes max, maybe 15, where we're just going to talk about what it might look like and if eXp Realty is a good fit for you. If you think it is, go get yourself on my calendar and I'll talk to you soon.